Hello everyone and welcome back to this another videos, and in this tutorials we'll learn how to create and customize the bubble chart. So the bubble chart is like a scatter plot but with the third dimension, so it is great for comparing say variables at once. So let's dive into practical example. So let's say we are analyzing sales performance for the different products. So I will address here some products sales informations, like let's say this is the sections for products and this is the unit sold, and this is the sections for revenues, and after that the profit margin, it will be mentioned in percentage, and I will address some products. Let's say product A and product B, product C and product D, and product D and product E, and I will address the unit sold item. Let's say 500 items and 750, and let's say 300 and 90650. So, and I will add some revenues amount is like let's say $7,000, the 4,000s and $11,000 and the 4,000. So 4,000 and let's say 13,500. So then the 9,500 and the profit margins, in this. So in this and 10% and 15%, 8% and 20, and lastly 12. So this is the revenue point, revenue amount. So now I will select and I will press Ctrl T to make this into a table. So now we will use XSI for units sold and AYXI for revenues, and the bubble size will be like the profit margins. So this is our goal. So at first I will use here like we can actually format data for bubble just actually, so we can create data in this format, let's say this is the unit source, this is the revenues, and after that this is the size actually. So at first I will go to the insert tab, and then here is in this there is a sections for bubble, the bubble chart, and if I select the bubble chart, as you can see, and we can also find the options here for the recommended chart sections. So in here we can select the bubble chart, and this is the bubble and this is the revenues, and this is the, so if I select the bubbles and if I click OK, and I will select the data levels, and then it will see it's referencing the unit sold and profit margins, and the bubbles are actually referencing the units sold actually, and we can add the excess title, and this is the chart title will be like this is the sales performance by product, and here you will find like this is this, and it is uh, referencing the profit margin actually. As you can see, this is the profit margin, this is the profit margin, and this is the unit sold. This is the unit sold, and as you can see, so this is the unit sold. This is the unit sold, and in this, so we can add this in this. So just we can add this, and then we can just select the bubbles. Let's select the data levels. So data levels, so like when you to use the doubles. So at once, so in this and like compare volumes. So this is then you will find options for in the bubbles. In the bubbles, and if I go to the recommended charts, at first you have to do this highlight. So if I select this, and then if I go to the recommended chart, and if I select the scatter plot, then I can select the double charts. So as they see the doubles, and we can insert. Then I can select the data levels. So in this one, to compare a business performance and data analysis and financials dashboards. So like bubble charts give you powerful, and I see how multiple variables in this, and formatting and Excel actually, and uncovered like insights and creatives and colorful ways. You can also use some colors like in this. So it's actually waiting for in this, and so how to insert and customize. So this all for today. In the next video I'll discuss about some other exciting things. Okay.